my loves, welcome back to my channel. Lynette here, and today we are going to be making some alkaline, mineral rich, electric baby food that's not only nourishing, but it also has healing properties. I'm just going to take you with me. We're going to kind of be playful with some of the ingredients that we're going to use. I like to be playful. I like to surprise my baby with different types of milk that I like to make him that are delicious and nutritious. So I'm just gonna take you with me and we'll get started. First I want to show you the jars that my husband, he went out and bought these. I told him I wanted to get some baby food jars and he bought these on Amazon. And as you can see, they're eco-friendly, and we'll just open up the package and see. Here's the package, and they're so cute because in between each of them, I've already sanitized a couple of these jars, but these are the ones we're going to use today. I'm going to clean them up and then come back. But there you go. They send this 100% satisfaction quality, and that's on the back. These are nice because each little jar has a little seal. As you can see, I opened the jar and that's how it looks. It has milligrams on the side. You can see according to how much your baby eats, you can put that much in there. And then as you can see, it has a little ring that, you know, keeps it fresh for freshness, so your food doesn't spoil or anything like that. And I've already pureed some of the food that I have, so I'm gonna have to put them in these containers. Yeah, so I'm gonna get these cleaned and we'll come back. All right, we have them all washed up. And now I'm getting ready to start making baby food. I think the first thing I'm gonna make is, I wanted to make some strawberries, some bananas. I made some butternut squash and some chickpeas. So I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna tell you what I did with those. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you with me. Okay, we have the Bureau bananas. Baby food with healing properties. I hope you take some of these recipes, those of you that have babies, or maybe can share this to those that you know that are have small babies right now. And I have to say that since my grandson, he's my grandson, I call him my baby because I am taking care of him, but since he has been born, he has not even had a runny nose, and knock on wood, but not even a runny nose with this high electric diet. I've been keeping him on milk. I mean, he is really growing, and he's, like I said, blossoming well. He's never even, had a runny nose. I noticed that he's teething now, and, I even have a natural remedy for that, so maybe I'll do my next video will be over that. But, yeah, so just be playful with whatever you do, try to go back to the way we used to do it back in the day when we grew our own foods, and then you know what's in it. You make the food, you know there's not going to be any preservatives in there, or no hidden ingredients, no heavy metals, things of that nature. So, and you're a little bit more confident about what your baby is eating, And then there's no surprises. If there's things that doesn't react well in his body, you can address that, and just do something different. But I haven't had any issues with any of the things that I've given my little baby. And so I hope this video blesses you. And remember that I do this for you. And if you know of any other food, baby food hacks that you can share, please put that down into the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember that you are beautiful, and I love you. Bye.